In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best trading view indicator that is highly specialized for trading, and this is some of the smartest moving average indicators that we have developed, and you will love the retracements by this indicator. And we are not going to trade all these retracements. I'm going to share a trick with you that how to handle these retracements in a right way. Okay, first of all, let's review the signals of this indicator, and then I will tell you that how you can make a maximum by using this indicator. And this indicator is so special and you will love this. Okay, so first of all, you can see whenever the market is into the gray background, this is the bullish signal for the market. Okay, and when the market stays far from this middle zone, then this is the bullish trend for the market. If the market goes far from this band, this will be into the downward trend. So we are only going to catch the signals which are far from this zone, because this zone is very important. Okay, so guys, you normally complain about the consolidation patterns and a lot of things about the market, so that is why we have developed this zone. So for example, right now, if you look at here, we have bullish retracements, but we will hold on here. We will not take any kind of trade. Okay, now what you need to do is, it is very simple. Just follow this way. Look at this. This is the maximum level that was near to this zone. Okay, so we have marked this level, and now you can see this candle breakout above. Okay, now we can trust that retracement, and simply you can go long on that trade, and you can see it has provided you with a bullish ride. So again, I repeat my words, when the market is going far from that zone, it's a clear signal to go bullish. Okay, if the market is moving into the upward side. Okay, let's find more examples. Okay, so for example, this is the gold 3-minute chart. So you can see there were bearish retracements on that zone. Do not trust any retracement. You need to wait. Okay, you can trade this retracement on this candle, but not very near to it. You can see we will just hold on, because that is the whatever that is happening. This is kind of a consolidation pattern. Okay, so this zone will keep you updated with the consolidation. No need to wait for the breakout. You can see price breakout above, and then okay, and then you can go for a buy position. Now let's show you more examples. You can see that was the consolidation, but still this indicator kept you bullish. Okay, it was providing you only bullish retracements, and here you can see the price breaking above, and then you can see price simply moved into the upward direction. Okay, and once the market set up a direction like upward, then you can trade the other retracements as well. Okay, now you can see the market is trying to go down, but do not trust at the moment, because might be again the market will be into the upward direction. Okay, now have a look on this thing. Okay, so you are going to trade this pair at this is the Euro USD pair, a 3-minute chart. You are going to trade that bearish retracement right from here, because you should not trade it very early. Okay, so for example, look at this pattern. It's breaking below. You can trade that one. Okay, now if you just have a look here, what's going on, the market has entered into the bullish trend. Now you can find the bullish opportunities from this zone, and then you can play with these signals. Okay, let's have a look on Great Britain Pound AUD. Okay, you can see it has provided us with the buy signal. And how the buy signal come? Again, follow my concept. What I have told you, that was the highest point between the zone and the consolidation, and you can see it's a breakout, and my indicator has provided you with the buy signal, and you can see the price simply go up. Okay, now there is no need to waste your money into the consolidation patterns. Like this is the consolidation going on, but still it kept you bearish, and it was very well managed by the indicator. But right now you can see on the breakout, it has provided you a buy signal. The price simply moved up. So this indicator has become more interesting than every moving averages that are available on TradingView. Look, this was the highest point in between that zone, because the main essence that the job that we have done is on the band. This band is very critical and very important. You can see whenever this band is going to break out with a good candle, you can see the price simply enter into the way up. Okay, and if you look at here, that's the consolidation. So whenever you see such type of patterns in that, by using that indicator, you will just wait nothing. Okay, one more thing, you can get the lifetime access of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, you can see the market breaks below, that was the selling point. You can see, as I have mentioned, when the price goes far from the band and you need to follow that direction, go for the sell, you are profitable. Okay, now if I ask a question from you, what is going on? This is the consolidation. There is a no proper breakout. Okay, so wait for the breakout. It can be up, it can be down. Okay, so it is that is what we have manually input in that indicator, that it is providing you many retracements so that you guys can understand that this is the consolidation and I need to avoid the trading, because there is no good indicator into the whole trading view that actually gives you good signals in the consolidation. Now for example, look at this point. I'm going to explain that point. If I put the horizontal line here, okay, why? Because that was the lowest point in between that zone and the market, and you can see when the price closes below that zone, what happened? The price simply goes into the downward trend. That's why I am saying when the price goes far from this band, you are easy to go on the trade. Look at the USD CHF. When it breaks above, look at this, price simply moved up. So there are huge chances to make money just with this indicator, and you can see when the price break out above, you can see simply it went up. Right now it's into the red zone, a bearish pressure is going on, and it will provide you the bearish retracements. Okay, so this indicator works into the forex, crypto, stock market and gives you highly amazing accurate signals. And look, what does this mean? This is the consolidation. There is no proper breakout, so wait for the proper time to enter into the trade. This is the Nasdaq chart, and you can see firstly it was a consolidation, then breakout, price moved up, and now price is into the selling pressure and the price is down. Okay, if the markets are smooth, then this indicator will also remain smooth and will provide you a lot of good signals. Like this is the retracement, but overall you can see this is the consolidation. That was the breakout. Look, I'm again going to repeat that concept for you. Look at this. That was the lowest point on the chart in between the band and the market. It breaks below, you can see price is down. So super accurate, easy indicator to go. Even it works on Nifty, Bank Nifty, natural gas, anything that you trade, forex, crypto, stocks, S&P 500, whatever you trade, this indicator really works. Okay, and this indicator will do its job, and you can see that it already provides you a lot of levels that where you have to trade and where you do not have to trade. You need to be very conscious about your trading just with this simple amazing tool. So guys, you can book the lifetime access of this indicator by contacting on Telegram. The link of the channel Telegram channel is given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.